You said you wanted to be on camera. I thought you meant you wanted me to hit with the camera. Hit with the camera.
That's some dodgy shit. Why someone fucking take that shit off?
Is he dead, Andy?
I think so.
Ben, is he dead?
I think he hit him.
Do you want to go and check him out? Go and rub the little Nazi.
Come back here. Grab that ball.
And you fuck! And you fuck! And pick up the small one!
So look at you all, bros, mate. Going the wrong way. Beautiful.
Am I going the wrong way? Yeah. My neck's fucked. Not have to get.
Back up, there was no one there.
Kick it, Vince. Kick it!
What we want is a bricks with it facing like that way, so you can really see it.
No, lay it down. Turn it upside down.
Well, it'd be good to see it, man. That's a good thing.
No, I don't know if that's a good idea, Ben.
No, it's not.
You won't see anything if you turn it upside down in his face.
Vince thinks the right proper Roman candle, like sparkle.
It is.
That's
what's
what's involved in the front.
Yeah, alright. But what if it just goes?
I think it will.
Fucking hell.
Can't push these things.
You can, because they get fucking thrown off their land.
Yeah. Oh, where's that cat? Where's that shit?
I didn't bring it away.
Oh, you're joking. Never got that deodorant out of the car.
Yeah,
No, fuck it. That won't explode you. That'd need a fire.
Wow, yeah.
Look at that.
Jesus Christ,
motherfucker, yeah. Shit.
Look at that.
Oh my god, they're so dangerous.
There's bits of it. This is all escaping 100 miles an hour.
Me.